As the world emerges out of the COVID-19 pandemic, many digital designers are directing their attention to creating digital experiences for those who had traumatic experiences. The Airbnb team have created 5 principles to guide their design for property owners and guests who had to experience anxiety and trauma during the COVID pandemic. The first is safety. The safety principle prioritizes the protection of users' psychological well-being above anything else. It guarantees that users can find an exit path or a way out when they are feeling uncomfortable. For example, Airbnb allows users to skip the reviewing page when a user refuses to provide comments on an unsatisfactory stay. Such an option prevents those who suffered from reliving the terrible experience so they can move on. The second is transparency. The transparency principle requires the app or product to provide a detailed explanation of what will happen next. Those who suffer from traumatic experience may have difficulty concentrating or focusing. Thus, it is critical to give them peace of mind with a sense of certainty. The third is the right to choose. When you are listing your property on Airbnb and registering yourself as a host, it gives you an option to choose whether you are willing to host refugees, asylum seekers, or those impacted by a natural disaster. Giving options back to your users can help them be confident about their product and let them be in control. Fourth is reciprocity. The reciprocity principle emphasizes the establishment of partnerships through collaboration and discussions. When talking to clients in crisis, instead of saying, "I have 3 options," a customer representative can use more empathetic phrases like, "Let's review these options together." Fifth is equality. Those in crisis do not want to be treated differently, and the platform must provide a sense of equality to them. When designing a product, consider special groups in need and make use of empathetic design principles as soon as possible. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.